One of my goals is to help people learn how to control blood sugar, how to use food as a tool to optimize our metabolism. Metabolism is how we power our body and our mind and our lives. This is about understanding the principles. The name of the game with micronutrients and antioxidants is get color. I let the food inspire me. The touch, the smell, the color, everything about it is beautiful. I'm just looking for that first thing that's gonna catch my eye. Oh my gosh. I can't describe to you how good these tomatoes are. It's so fun to take comfort foods that you love, my mouth is watering, and transform them into low glucose spiking alternatives that taste amazing.